Thanks for joining us tonight. The family of Amir Locke filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the city of Minneapolis today, 1 year after the 22-year-old was shot and killed by Minneapolis police during a raid.
Officers raided a downtown apartment last February in search of evidence related to a homicide investigation. Locke was not a suspect. Body camera footage showed Locke under a blanket on a couch with a firearm in his hand. Seconds later, Officer Mark Hanneman shot and killed him. Hennepin County and the Attorney General's office declined to file charges in that case, saying they didn't feel they could get a conviction under state law. Sharon Yu was with Locke's family today, and she has the details of this suit. Sharon?
Well, Lauren, Locke's family is asking for financial compensation, which they say they're hoping a jury would set the amount for. This includes things like attorney fees, but they're also asking for what they're calling injunctive relief, meaning they're expecting some policy and practical changes to come out of the investigation MPD is currently under by both the state and the feds. Attorney Ben Crump and his team reiterated that by filing the civil lawsuit against the city, they're keeping it accountable not just for Amir Locke's death, but also for its no-knock warrant policies.
The mayor here in Minneapolis said, we're not going to do no-knock warrants anymore. And we were just astonished when they were executing a no-knock warrant.
The suit alleges Mayor Jacob Frey advertised on his website his platform to ban no-knock warrants, yet, quote, the policy change had zero impact on business as usual. No-knock warrants have since become prohibited in the city, but in April of 2022. It also says between September 1st, 2021 and January 31st of 2022, MPD only executed no-knock warrants on people of color, with 80% of no-knock warrant targets being black.
Why does that matter? Because every time they do it, there is an increased likelihood of death to the person on the other side of that door.
Amir's mother, Karen Wells, listing the names of people who have died in the hands of police, saying they will serve as spiritual guides.
Y'all need to do something about what's going on in Minnesota, but I tell you who's going to do something about it. It's going to be George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, Daunte Wright, Amir Locke. They're going to head this on the other side.
I've reached out to the city of Minneapolis and they commented, quote, the city will review the complaint when it receives it. Julie?
Thank you, Sharon.